7 o'clock now here in Manila and it's our day 4. Kanina hindi kami lumabas. Maghapon lang kami sa loob ng condo. Tapos ngayon punta kami ng Glorieta 5 para kumain ng dinner sa Outback. Feel ng asawa ko mag-steak ngayon. So yun, punta kami ng Glorieta 5. Hi, Zachary. Are you having fun, Zach?
Where?
Here in Manila, in the Philippines.
What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Monday.
Then Tuesday and full tomorrow.
Huh?
Then it's gonna be full time.
Blessing tomorrow, yeah. Blessing ng condominium kung saan kami nakatira ngayon. Opening tomorrow. Grand opening. Huh? It's a bless? Oh, it's not a bless. It's a blessing. You're gonna bless the house, the rooms in the condo. It's a grand opening, Zachary. What's that, Holly? It's a busy area, Holly.
I like you, Holly, there.
I love you, Kuya Zach.
Holly.
Oh, Holly. Traffic. Dito na kayo sa Glorieta, kaso traffic. Punta kami ng Glorieta 4. Nandun daw yung Outback.
Mom, look, there's a light in here. There's a light here.
Okay, traffic. Dito na kami sa Glorieta 4. Come on, Hassan. Follow Daddy. Check out Mommy. Go, Saki, hurry up. Zachary, here. I got it. Go, Zachary. Princess, si Holly. Holly, are you a princess? Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Hi. Come on, Zach. Thank you. Yeah. Go there. Yeah, it's alright. Go there. Thank you. Do you have a high chair? Thank you. Just one. Say hi. Thank you. Where are you heading, boy? Thank you. What drink you want, Kuya?
It's so high.
Do you want Fanta?
Yes.
You want Fanta packs?
No Fanta.
Wow, look at that.
What is this?
Puzzle.
I know.
Oh, sorry. There you go, that'll keep you quiet.
Thank you.
What do they want to drink?
What drink do you want, Kuya? Do you want mango juice?
No Fanta.
That one.
Fanta. Can we color them in?
Yeah, sure, mate. So you done the best one. Now do it slowly and nice and neat.
I don't know.
Don't say that.
Hey, do it.
Don't worry about him. You Don't want the thing on your head like this. They got kids chicken fingers.
Okay. Kids, do you want chicken, Kuya? What do you want, Zach?
I want steak.
Oh, there it is. Look what Dad's having later. Chocolate thunder down under.
I want that too. I'm gonna have the big
I'm not decided yet.
We want juices. We have dalandan, calamansi, mango, apple, or smoothies.
So,
Mango?
maybe, yeah,
Right
mango.
now. I'll order it first for you and then I'll be right
Okay,
back.
thank you.
2 orders of Royal in can. We only have Royal. We don't have Fanta.
Okay, yeah, that's
And
alright.
then 1 order of Coke regular, refillable, and then the ripe mangoes. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank you.
For you, little girl.
Water? What else do you want? Aside,
Hey, look.
where's the kids?
Kids menu. Kids
Kids
burger,
menu.
kids fish and chips. Kids...
Oh, fish Zach. You will for Zachary fish. Get fish for Zach.
I'm just gonna do
Get
the
fish and chips for that.
Yeah.
And TJ can have... No, you can eat some fish and chips.
What are you having, Beth? What kind of steak do you want?
So it's even cheaper here, babe, on Friday.
Is it?
Yeah, 1,149 for an Outback special.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice.
Now you might work with them. I don't know how to do little words.
Can we get that one? Can you get
They
one?
bring out bread. Remember they bring out
Yes.
bread?
An appetizer. Why don't we get that for appetizer, that one?
All them words are in there. So you've got to find them. Say, look, I'll show you. Let me find one. There. Up to carrot. See? Carrot. So you...
The circle.
Oh, get around, come on.
That's for a Fanta.
Coke regular bottle. Ma'am, just give me a second for
Okay,
your...
yes. Thank you.
I'll open it.
Zach, there's nothing there yet.
It's nothing. That's enough.
What?
Kuya, can you get that one for mom, please? What's that steak?
Seasoned salt, salt, grilled shrimp.
Oh, prawns. What are you ordering, Holly? Thank you, Kuya. Thanks, Kuya. What are you ordering, Holly? What do you want for tea? Huh? Yucky, yuck, yuck. Ah, dirty.
What are you gonna have, though? Why? I'll put butter on.
Holly. The bread is really good. Thank you.
I guess you're ready?
Yes.
Can I start with you, Mom Chona?
Baby back ribs. Half, half, half.
It comes with fries already.
Yes. Just half.
That ribeye there, is it?
That prime rib.
Prime rib.
Yeah, the ribeye and prime rib, they are the same. It's just that prime rib was already slow roasted for 8 hours. So it's more tender in flavor. Do you want to try?
Yeah, I'll try that one. What sauce? Have you got gravy or just gravy?
Actually, it comes with au jus. That's the juice from the steak. And we also have homemade steak sauce.
Try the homemade one. You
Or
have
we
it.
have their peppercorn sauce for the add-on meats.
It's spicy, I think, that one. Is it spicy?
A little bit. 6 ounces, 8 ounces.
Just go the ribeye. And
Well done, honey.
well done. And just, yeah, peppercorn sauce will be alright. And mashed potato.
It comes with 2 side dishes already. So you want mashed potatoes and vegetables, coleslaw,
Oh, coleslaw.
and we cook it in 2 ways. Would you like seasoned and seared or open flame?
Open flame.
Open flame. It's like additional smoky flavor. Seasoned and seared, it's on a flat grill, well cooked, well seasoned on its own juice. Which do you prefer?
Yeah, that's,
The
yeah.
seasoned and seared.
Yeah. Fish and chips.
The kids' fish and
And a
chips.
hamburger, kids hamburger. And
Also cheese fries to start. You
Yes.
want the half or full?
the other full.
Wow. Are you hungry now?
Was that,
yeah.
is that everything?
Yep.
I'll repeat your orders. You ordered for a full Aussie cheese fries. I'll just serve that first.
Okay.
Then for the main entree, half order of baby back ribs, kids fish and chips, kids burger, and then you want the ribeye. So you want to try the prime rib? It's all almost the same. It's just that prime rib was more flavorful.
Do you want it? He's asking you, do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want it well done. Comes with mashed potatoes and vegetables. And peppercorn sauce.
Yeah.
It's just middle.
I'm having mango shake with no milk. And then this bread is really yummy. Ang sarap niya. Parang siyang chocolate bread. Na hindi naman masyadong chocolate, basta masarap siya. Outback. Holly, here. Holly, here. Look at the bus, Kuya. Say hi, everyone, Zach. Zachary. French
dressing.
Thank you. Not all, love. Not all.
Fish and chips. Here's your burger.
What you gonna say?
Welcome.
Oh, that's huge, Kuya.
I'll be serving the main entree in 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Why are you having fish and chips, Zach?
Hey, this one.
Yeah.
Sauce or
Look, I
tomato
made it
sauce?
home.
Here, I'll cut it for you, mate.
Cheesy bacon, French
Just wanna
fries.
check. Did you order additional grilled shrimp or?
Here. Huh?
Boy,
What you gonna say to Daddy?
Can we put this in sauce?
Yeah.
oh no.
The Son, Holy, Holy,
Lean over the plate, mate.
Spirit,
Lean
Amen.
over.
Papa
Mom,
Jesus,
thank you for my food.
you do it too, Papa Jesus.
No.
Okay, you can do it, Papa Jesus. Thank you.
Thank you for our food.
Very long. So, eat it. Oi. Why are you putting through that?
It's alright, let
Eat it. It's not in that one. What's this one, mate?
the star food.
Not for here.
Saglit lang. Here,
Not that one. That one.
Here, here. Yung masarap. Yeah.
What's that?
That's fish.
Wait. It's hot. Why? Stop screaming. Yeah.
Every time I tell what I tell what I tell them doing it. That's right. So when it falls off, it falls back on your side. That's here. Right. Lean up.
Okay, thank you. Can I? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Can I get water?
Sige po.
Oh, you bottle water. Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh, not good.
Cold. Thank you. Oh, that's after we ate. Ito yung akin, baby back ribs half. And Jan is having steak. Ah, that's well done, Bob. Ask the girl.
Yes, sir.
Can I get that cooked more?
Well, yes,
Well.
please. Well done, yes.
No blood.
Okay.
Thank you.
Clap, clap. But because everyone's
Full, man.
you're waiting for your steak.